Hey, it's me again. Hi everyone. What's up, Clevy Nation? Welcome back to the mm, mm, mm. Welcome back to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, what's up with my attitude today? If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Clevy, and it is so nice to meet you. You guys, we are back with another Indonesian Idols performance, and this is Neyl, you guys, and he's going to be performing. Let me take a deep breath. I don't want to butcher this. I know I'm still going to butcher it, but help me, guys. This is Pesawat, um, Pesawat Tempurku. I know I butchered that, you guys. But in case you don't know who Neyl is, I call him the Metal King. I don't know why, but I still always picture him in a metal band because ah. He's a hard worker. Okay, if you're excited, smash the like button. Join the family, join Clevy Nation by clicking on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss whenever I upload a new video. All right, guys, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. What does he have on his head? What is what is okay? We're all going rock mode. I get it. Oh my god.
Waktu kau lewat, aku sedang
Woo.
mainkan gitar. Sebuah lagu yang ku nyanyikan tentang dirimu. Seperti kemarin, kamu hanya lemparkan senyum.
He brings like how many of Neyl's performances have I seen now? Is it 4 or 5? And with every song, he's bringing a new element. With every song, it has a different vibe. Wow. Okay.
Lalu pergi begitu saja, bagai pesawat tempur. Hei kau yang manis, hinggalah diriku bernyanyi. Sebentar saja nona, sebentar saja, hanya sebentar.
Ooh. You guys, you guys, you guys. Some of you know that I play the guitar and yes, 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 yes. And so guitar is one of my most favorite instruments on the planet. So don't do you see me blush? I'm blushing on my guitar, okay? There's something the sound of guitar does to me. It just excites me, you guys. Ah, are you dancing? Oh, I'm the only one, you guys.
Rayuan mautku takkan membuat kau jadi kalah. Bagai seorang
I
diplomat,
love that I'll be back up singers.
kau mengelak.
Yes,
Kalau saja aku bukanlah penganggur, sudah ku pacari kau. Jangan bilang tidak, bilang saja iya. Iya lebih baik daripada kau menangis. Yeah, penguasa, penguasa.
Ooh, this is like, what am I shouting? Jesus Christ, it's very early in the morning. You guys, this is like a concert already. Like, whenever I listen to Neyl, it takes that, oh, he's a competitor, he's coming to just come and outdo, it takes it out. And what I get every time he sings is like, I'm in a concert, I'm watching this, already made star, celebrity, musician coming to perform. That's what I get whenever, like, I actually don't always feel like he's competing when he sings. I'm always more like, I'm enjoying myself. I'm in a concert right now. I'm enjoying myself. I'm banging my head. That's the vibe. Ah.
Berilah hambamu
He was that
beri hamba uang, beri hamba uang. Penguasa penguasa, berilah hambamu uang, beri hamba uang,
Woo!
beri hamba uang. Let's go everybody say. Penguasa, penguasa, berilah hamba
Hey!
uang, beri hamba uang, beri hamba uang. Penguasa, penguasa.
Can you see what I said? Can you see what I said? He does that. He has that effect. He's singing, and I'm not feeling like he's competing. I just feel like he's this guest performer that is coming to play. Like that's what is in my. Can you see that? Everyone, let's go and thank you for giving me a concert I didn't pay for, Neyl. That was amazing. Ooh. What is I can never take it serious now. How do I want to see this? What what is on his head? Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, you just made me cry. Oh god. Oh, guys, you guys understand that this is exactly what I'm seeing right now. Can you guys see that? Can you- How do I take him serious? Oh my god. Okay, let me let go of this of this of this place because if I keep looking at it, I'll end up laughing. You guys, I totally did enjoy this, and I hope you did too. Neyl is an amazing singer, extraordinary. You guys, he's I keep saying it. He'll do great things. I tell you guys, he will do great things. He has that potential. He has star potential. He's already a star. He has that potential. He will do great things. Oh yes, I am rooting for him. Like I am rooting for him. He's got all it takes. Yes, he's got all it takes, and I hope you guys keep on voting for your faves, so they can get to the next stage and the next stage and the next stage because Neyl is one to look out for. Here are today's Instagram and YouTube shout outs. Thank you so much for being a member of Clevy Nation, for staying active on the platform, and for supporting my journey. If you want to be featured next, all you need to do is to follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle right here. And leave a comment on my latest post, or you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment on today's video, guys. If you know that you enjoyed this as much as I did, smash the like button, share this video, and if you have any recommendations, you know the drill, right? Leave in the comment section. Join the family, join the squad, join the gang, by clicking on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss whenever I upload new video. All right, guys, you know this. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. I love you. I love you so, so, so much. And thank you for always watching. Bye, guys.